unpack the plastic cover, we loose the screw at this end to detach the cover. Find this hole, use a screwdriver to lift. The cover can be detached. Locate these two screws and fix that operator on the frame. And then fix the other screws on the other holes. Before fix the screws, please measure the shaft center to the hinge center. The distance 26 centimeter. After confirm this location, please fix these screws tightly on the frame. From the hinge center to the first hole on the gate, 300 or 30 centimeter, we drill the first hole and the second hole. And this is a location of the bracket on the door. We can knock down the bracket and put it on the gate and fix it by screw. Put the swing arm on the shaft and screw it a little tight, not too tightly. Please pay attention for this limiter. Should be downside. This is a limiter, the downside. And let the bracket, this rod, push it to this slot. And fix by the screw. Loosen the articulated arm, this screw, and let the slot can be slide. And close the door and fix these screws. Adjust this limit screw from this hole to this hole, and by which the door can be pushed to 90 degrees. This is to prevent the door exceed the 90 degrees and cause the articulated arm to be straight arm. Now, put the door to this degree. This degree is about 120 degrees. And you can see this arm should not be a straight arm. By this screw, it limits its maximum angle. After installed the door operator on the frame, pull and push the gate. If it is very smooth, then the installation is successful. Do not install the external devices into the plug. We pull it out for the test. Before perform the door operator, we insert this handheld programmer into this socket. power on. You can see the dash. We press. It is F07 for direction choice. We press this button. We press this enter button. It displays 0. We press this plus button. It displays 1. And you can see the door is slowly open. And we press the decrease button to 0. The door is slowly closed. This means the direction is correct. Now the door is slowly closed for a self-program. After the door touches the frame, the self-program is finished. Now the direction is correct. If not, we have to change the 0 or 1. Now it displays F01. The self-programming is finished. Let's have a taste. Now the door is opened at some degree, but it is not 90 degrees. Then we go to the uncommon parameter setting to change, to increase the opening degree. We hold press this enter button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. F04. It is for the opening degree selection. The factory default setting is 135 degrees. Then we press the plus button to increase. To 168 and enter to save. And then we have a test. Now the door is opened to 95 degrees. If this angle is good, we can skip into this parameter. After the opening degree is set, we can find the opening speed, opening time, opening speed, closing speed to adjust to your preferred status. F01, it is for the hold open time. We press the enter. The hold open time is 3 seconds. You can increase to 4 seconds. Let's have a test. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is roughly 4 seconds. Begin to close. And we can continue to adjust the opening speed. We choose F02. We press this plus button. F02. Enter. It is speed setting is 45. We can increase to, we can decrease to let the speed to be smaller. Let's have a test. 25. Let's test. Now the speed becomes slower than previous performance. Okay, let's return it to 45. Okay, and the closing speed, F03. Now it is 20. We increase the closing speed to 30. Enter. Test. This speed is a little faster than previous performance. Okay. For other parameters, the user do not have to choose, do not have to adjust it anymore. So for the maximum. In maximum situation, the installation and the debugging is finished. Then we can plug these devices into the system and have a test. For double swing door, we need to install two door operator on left and right doors. This edge is the secondary door, and this edge must be closed firstly, the first door, and then it's a master door, this one. So when the two-door operator is installed, and for this double door, we need interval time between the master door and the secondary door. Then we need this one device, the synchronizer. And this device should be plugged at the same plug of the control programmer. Insert this one into the door operator and power on the system. The door operator, the control system, will learn this synchronizer and make the door to be performed as master door and secondary door at the same time. Thank you.